We got a Super Skyline GTR, guys, a R35. Pretty sweet ride. Looking like it's in mint condition. This guy found a sweet, clean looking GTR. Most of these cars are beat to dog shit. So this one is clean. You guys can see the paint still looking immaculate. Black on black, got the black with the gunmetal wheels. Got the carbon ceramic brakes. You can tell by the copper on there. And it's a GTR, guys. Well, you know, what's there not to like? GTR. Can you focus on that? Sweet. So we got a mid-pipe slapping on this thing. It's gonna sound pretty sweet. Stock exhaust is already pretty good. It's all right. We have a bunch of different upgrades available for it at Gexhaust.com. And if it's not available on our website, just give us a call. We could source anything for you guys. Everything from Tomei titanium to a Meister shaft, you know, so that stuff's not available on our website, but we do have accounts with them. So if you're looking for something for your GTR, just hit us up. And we're gonna put this thing up, show you guys what it looks like underneath, and make it sound a little bit better. So that's what you come to Gexhaust for, guys. So basically a glorified 350Z with a twin turbo setup. Got carbon fiber steering wheel. The interior is pretty sweet. As you can see, you got the 350Z buttons on there. I mean, if I'm paying 150K for a Nissan, I want at least some metal buttons out of this thing, but whatever, it's the drivetrain you're paying for. All-wheel drive, the V6 twin turbo, the tremendous power upgrades you have for this car. And then once you hook it up, this thing's unbeatable. This thing grips and goes, and it's a monster on the road, so it'll pretty much smoke anything out there. One of the sweetest track cars out there too. So if you're looking for, you know, a pretty sweet Japanese twin turbo setup car, the GTR is definitely for you guys. Also extremely upgradable, like I said. You do air intakes, exhaust, you can build the engine, upgrade the turbos, downpipes, tune, full exhaust. You do endless upgrades for this thing, which is pretty sweet. So I mean, the interior is pretty nice too. It's got the Bose, see the Bose on that thing? And then you got the suede seats, the inserts on there. Got the half leather, half suede. It's pretty sweet, black on black. Got the carbon trim. And I mean, overall pretty sweet ride. Like I said, a pretty glorified 350Z. Definitely much more car than a 350Z. But I feel like if you slapped a four-wheel drive system on a 350Z and then twin turbo, it might be even a little bit faster because it's lighter. Doesn't have all this bulky body attached to it. And, you know, like I said, it's a GTR. Classic, nostalgic Nissan, which you really can't beat. Everybody loves a nostalgic Nissan. So we're gonna slap it up right now, let you guys see it underneath, and like I said, we're slapping a mid-pipe on it, so it's gonna sound better than what you just heard. So GTR is all done, got the mid-pipe slapped on there. It's gonna sound sick. The garbage that was on there, super restrictive, and didn't make it sound like a GTR. I'm gonna crank it, you guys tell me what you think.